conditions? Tell me.
fx equals to 0, fy is equals to 0.
Uh, and what you will get?
Then we will find rt minus s square.
No, you will get a bunch of points.
Sir,
Bunch of
in
x
maxima,
one,
the
y two, x two, y so
left
on.
side of the graph is greater
What?
than zero, and the right side is lesser than zero. In
No, no.
maximum, dy dx.
What? Suppose
Sir,
you get.
uh, s- for maxima,
Hmm.
the
No,
point
no,
of
no.
maxima.
First, what you will do? Tell me.
uh,
What you will get? First, you can do fx equal to 0, fy equal to 0. You will get a bunch of points. Correct?
yes, sir.
That is called extreme points. Once if you get the extreme points, what you will do? Rt minus s square you can find. Okay, yeah. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once if you get the Rt minus s square, Rt minus s square means what is the meaning? Dou square f by dou x square, dou square f dou y square. Correct? R and T. Dou square f dou x dou y whole square. That is Rt minus s square all greater than 0 means what? First door will open. Correct? Are you there or not?
Sir,
I am only telling you, people are not telling. Then what you will do? Suppose if Rt minus s square is greater than 0, correct? Rt minus s square is greater than 0, then R is less than means what my function attains what?
So if r is less than the function is maximum.
Attains maximum. What is the maximum? What is the maximum? F of xy, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is one case. Next, suppose Rt minus s square is greater than 0, always that should be there. And R is less than 0 means what you will do? R is less than 0 means maximum. R greater than 0,
Minima.
minima. Correct? So once Rt minus s square less than 0 means
Neither maxima nor minima.
that points are called what?
Saddle points.
Only one student are telling, remaining of whatever they doing, I don't know. Next. Once if after that what you have studied? Lagrange's multipliers. How you will use Lagrange's multiplier? They will give function, find the minimum and maximum value of. Then right one condition they will go. What function you are finding that you can take actually small f. What is the condition you can take? Given condition you can take as a g. Correct? Any doubt? Are
no,
you
sir.
okay? Answer me, sir. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Then okay, then you will get actually Lagrange's multipliers. How you will do? Function, arbitrary function you can prepare. That is what capital F plus small f plus lambda g. Capital F how we will write capital F is equal to small f plus lambda g. Correct? Now this what you will go multipliers. How you will do? Capital dou f by dou x is equal to 0 means what you will get? Dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou g by dou x is equal to 0. Similarly, dou f by dou y is equal to 0, dou f by dou z is equal to 0. Last you can do dou f by dou lambda is equal to 0. That is nothing but condition. Correct? Clear? Then from there you can find, remove the lambda, then x, y, z. They will tell you condition. They will go find the maximum volume of a rectangular box inscribed in ellipsoid. Ellipsoid is condition. Otherwise, prove that the maximum volume of the rectangular box is a cuboid when inscribed in sphere. Then one top is open rectangular. Find the surface area, least cost. Like this, they will go. You can do. These all are we completed. Clear or not? Then what we have done this in this chart after. I hope this anything extra will be left. Jacobians also there here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Jacobian proof.
Jacobians are there. In Jacobians, normally J dash is equal to 1. They may ask actually 1 mark question or a small question. They will go J dash. If you are not able to find this, find J reciprocate. And they may chances are there what in Jacobian functionally independent. Functionally independent is what? Dou of x y z by u v w by x y z equal to 0. You can prove that already one problem we done. U is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. V is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. W is equal to what we have done? X plus y plus z. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Then that what we have proved actually from there. W is equal to 2u. No, W square is equal to 2u plus v. Correct? 2u plus v. 2u plus v. Then otherwise another problem what we have done. U is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. V is equal to tan inverse x tan inverse y. Then that is also V is equal to tan inverse U, tan V is equal to prove. That all important questions. Next chapter is what? Third chapter. What is third in it?
Differential equation.
Differential equation. In differential equation, what you have done? Differential equation, what you have done?
Function and particular integral.
Very good. Any
Yeah, yeah,
problem,
yeah.
complementary function and particular integral. How you will find complementary function?
Putting d is equals to be m and f of x is equals to be 0.
No. First you can put D is equal to M. You will get auxiliary equation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then once if you get them is what? Suppose if it is repeated rules means what? What you will write? Suppose that is not a repeated rule, different rules. M1 comma M2. Then what you will do?
C1 into e to the power m1x plus c2
E2
equals
into e to the power of
E to the power m2x.
M2x. Correct? Then suppose roots are repeated. M1 comma M1. How you will do?
C1x plus
C2
C2
e to the
into
power of
e to
Mx. Suppose
yes.
complex roots means how you will do?
e power alpha into cos beta plus
E
sin
power
beta.
x as C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. Suppose if it is imaginary part is not, real part is not there means what? M square plus 1. M is equal to plus or minus psi. So what you will get? C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is next. If f of d into y is equal to f of x, right side if we have any function you can think for pi. Clear or not? Clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Then suppose pi for e to the power of ax, how you will do? Put d is equal to what?
D is equal to m.
A, provided what is the condition? F of A not equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if F of is 0 means what you will do?
Differentiate.
Differentiate and add x and multiply into
Differentiate
x.
with respect to what?
X.
Hey, x. Differentiate what? Differentiate with respect to D and introduce one x. Correct?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Next. PI for sin AX or cos AX. How you will do? Put D square is equal to what?
Minus a
Minus a
square.
square.
A square. Correct? Then suppose if denominator D plus 3, D minus 3 means what you will do? You can conjugate. Okay. Then you know D of f of x means differentiate with respect to x. 1 by D f of x means integral with respect to x. Clear or not? Up to here? Then that case. Suppose next type what polynomial x cube plus 1 plus x squared by means what denominator can prepare 1 plus f of d or 1 minus f of d that you can bring to numerator. So this shape will get 1 plus x whole power minus 1 or 1 minus x whole power minus 1. You can do by expansion that will get up to infinity expansion, but no need to go for infinity. My polynomial x square means what here up to d square only valid, remaining are 0. Correct or not? My expansion will go up to infinity, but it's waste. D cube x cube means what? 0. Obviously it's vanish. So I will do x square means I will apply up to d square only I will expand. Clear? So that is one part. Next is what? Next is what?
For products.
E power x into f of x. Take e power x outside to write d is equal to d plus a. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then x sin x, x cos x means one rule I given actually. X into f of d by f dash of d square, something I given. Remember actually, I forget in that one particular case I told. Next case this is what? A variable coefficient. You will have x square d square plus xd plus 5 into y is equal to sine of log x and e power log x like this. Then what you will do? Put x is equal to what? X
E
is
to the
equal to
power
what?
z.
E power z, z is equal to j log x, x square d square become what?
D dash into D dash minus 1.
Minus 1, where d dash is equal to what? Who is d dash?
D by dz.
Very good. D by dz. In terms of z only you will get answer, not right in x. Okay, that part over. After that, what? Variation of parameter. When you will use variation of parameter means what? What we have done previous cases all pre-AS. If it is not there, means you can go for variation of parameter. 99.99% they will tell you can do the variation of parameter only. Then what you will do first, you can find CF. CF was C1 F1 C2 F2. PI how you will write? PF1 plus QF2. Right side function you can take as a capital X. Then what is the P formula? Minus f2 into x, that capital X right side, divided by what you will get? F1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. Correct? Integral of. Any doubt? Q is equal to how you will write? F2x into Q means f2 you won't get, sorry, f1 you will get. F1 x into divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. P is equal to what? P means f2 you will get minus f2x divided by f1 f2 dash minus f2 f1 dash. Clear? Yes or no,
Yes,
sir?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So this is the next. Lastly, what we done? Simultaneous equation. D square x plus dy like this. So first my operator will remove d or x or y. Suppose I will get the x first solution means for to find y. Where is the y freely I will see. There I will go and apply y value. These are the unit 2 and 3. So read carefully, write properly. Then upload should be in Google form only. I won't allow it this time. If you upload in GCR, I won't allow. Google form will be released. That Google form will upload. Clear? Any doubt?
Sir, can you please repeat it?
That is upload session. See, type how many types I told actually. Section A is 20 into 1, 20 marks. Session B is what 5 into 4, 20 marks. Session C 1 into 10. B and C how to write on the notes, scan as a PDF, upload in Google Form only, not Google Classroom. Last time so many people uploaded in Google Classrooms. Anyway, I have given marks. I am not reduced. This time I never consider actually.
Sir,
Total
so we
exam
should
I-
only upload in Google Form, sir.
Yeah, Google Form only. There should be one option is there.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
75 is there.
Yes, sir.
75. Hey, writing exam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will read.
Okay, right. Suppose if you go miss,
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. But better write actually. Again, keeping second time permission is headache. Exams don't miss.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, you got a
last time
permission.
also,
Yes.
Okay.
so last time also uploaded in Google Form only, sir.
You people upload means okay, happy sir. I'm telling those who are not uploaded.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Those who are not uploaded, this time you can do. Those who are uploaded, well and good. Again, you can upload. You people are very good. Okay. Then from where it's starting? Number 17, sir. 71.
71.
71, sir.
Huh? 71.
71, sir.
71. Absent, huh? 72.
72 present, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74. 74. 75.
74 present, sir.
75 is there. 76.
Present, sir.
77. 76. 75
Present, sir.
already. 76, sir.
Sir, 74 present, sir.
Okay. Rajesh, what is your number?
77, sir.
Why you are telling it 76 are not called? 77, okay. 78.
Present, sir.
79. 80. 81.
Present,
not
sir.
there.
Sir, 80%.
80. Sir. Announce your number and tell. I'm calling 81. You are telling present, sir. 82.
Present, sir.
83. 83. 84.
84 present, sir.
85.
Present, sir.
83 present, sir.
86 not there. 87 not there. 88.
Present, sir.
89.
89 present, sir.
90.
90 present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92.
92 present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
95.
Present, sir.
96.
Present, sir.
97. 98. 99.
99 present, sir.
100.
Present, sir.
101.
Present, sir.
102. 103.
Present, sir.
104. 105.
Present, sir.
106.
Present, sir.
107.
Sir, 98 present, sir. Mic issue, sir.
107.
Present, sir.
108. 107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109.
Present, sir.
110. 111.
Present, sir.
112.
112 present, sir.
113. 113 present.
Present,
114. 115.
Present, sir.
116.
Present, sir.
123.
Present, sir.
124.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
5401. 1.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7, 8, 107,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
So 16 is having network issues, sir.
huh?
16 is having network issues, sir.
Okay. 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 22,
Present, sir.
23, 24, 25, Navneet Urlath, what is your name? 24, huh?
No, sir. 22, sir.
25, 26,
26 present, sir.
27, 28, 29,
29 present, sir.
30.
30 present, sir.
Ma'am, சொல்லுங்க ma'am. Hello. ஆமா ma'am. கைடு கூட கூப்பிடணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் மேம். கைடு இருக்காங்க மேடம் லாஸ்ட் டைம். ஆமா ஆமா. இல்ல அந்த எல்எஸ்எஸ் கூப்பிட்டு கேட்டா கூட தெரியும் நமக்கு கைடு வந்தாரு இல்லையா. லாஸ்ட் எல்எஸ்எஸ் எல்லாம் இருந்தா இங்க இருந்தா கைடு வரணும் மேடம். கைடு இல்லைன்னா கூப்பிட முடியாது. நான் கேட்டு சொல்லிட்டேன் மேடம், கேட்டு சொல்றேன். ஓகே மேம், ஓகே ரைட். சார் அப் டு வேர் வி கேம் 29
Sir, up to 30 came, sir. 31 present.
30 present
Yes, sir. 30 present, sir.
Yes, sir.
31 last number is 31
Yes, sir. 31 is last.
then options are
31 present.
79 97
Hello.
102 104 110
102 is there.
27. Yes, 102 is there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Can you repeat
okay.
it, sir?
Then
83
80,
present. Just had
83 I not told sir.
3.
79 97 104 110 24 25 27.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay ma'am, bye.
Sir, 24 has network issues.
What?
24 has network issues.
24
Yes, sir.
Oh. That is 5401 series only, no?
Yes, sir. 5401 series.
Okay.
Dinesh Singh.
Okay, right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I had mentioned that you had put absent for me in one of the previous classes.
That day itself, if you tell me it's enough, after 24 hours, it will lock actually. We can't do anything now. Immediately, if you tell okay, then even absently one message will come to you. If maybe parents are you, it will reach immediately. If you tell me, I can do something. Otherwise, 24 hours I can't. We can't do.
Okay,
now.
sir.
Okay, right. Okay, ma. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye, bye. Read well properly for second cycle test.